Look, all done in the Akadama soil. So I'm going to open those for you right now. I'm going to show you the results. There's some more. Here's some more. I'm going to pull the ones that look like they have roots. That one. Okay, watch, guys. Isn't it so fun? So cool. I love it. Never gets old. Okay, is there any more on this cup that have done? Look right there. So that means this one. They both have roots on them. I need the soil to root some more. So that's why I'm going to up pot these. Whoa. Look at that one. Oh my gosh, that one's cool. Look at that, guys. And now I can use this for some of the cuttings I just barely took. Okay, look right here. This one right here. Another really well. Again. Okay, let me see. I saw some roots coming out the bottom. Look how small this guy is. Oh, this is so cool. Oh, let me set up a tripod and I'll show you how I get them into... Look, it's pulling. It's pulling. I can't talk and be excited at the same time. Holy crap. These were all done June 2nd. Look how many. Look how many. They all rooted. I would say Akadama soil works. What do you guys think? So cool. Okay, I'm going to show you how to up pot them. I'm going to take this long guy. Just going to put it there. Okay, we're going to come over to the soil. This soil is a mixture of everything at the moment, but it has potting soil. I just reuse things. Has a little bit of perlite in it. That's all. That's all. Okay, there's one. Okay, this guy, doing it with one hand, so hopefully I'm not too bouncy. I'm going to put it in there. Just go to the bottom. And, whoops, put the soil all the way around. Usually I don't have one hand to do this, but that's all, guys. It's really not hard. I love the Akadama soil, you guys. I love it so much. Yeah, that was done with my left hand. You could be a lot more gingerly about that, but I got to get these up potted and labeled so that I can use more of the Akadama soil on more cuttings. One thing I changed this time around is I'm going to paint the Clonex on all of the nodes. One node, two node, and then the bottom. So once again with my left, so it's kind of hard to do, but paint. It worked again. I love this soil so much. Bye, guys.